How to change font style on iPhone. To change font style on iPhone, you first need to open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your iPhone. Then, you need to scroll down a little and find the option Display and Brightness. Once you find it, tap it. From here, you need to tap on the text size option. After that, you will see a slider at the bottom of your screen. Now, slide it to the right to increase the size of the text. To decrease the size, you need to slide it to your left. You can adjust the size according to your readability. Apps that support dynamic type will adjust to your preferred reading size below. Now, hit Backspace. Then, toggle on the bold text option. Once you've turned this on, the texts on your iPhone will be displayed in bold. So by following these simple steps, you can easily change font style on an iPhone.